What's the meaning of bleary? Bleary. Bleary.
Bleary. Bleary. Bleary is an adjective that describes someone or something with tired, blurred or reddened eyes, often due to lack of sleep or excessive use. It is commonly used to portray a sense of exhaustion or weariness. When someone is bleary-eyed, it suggests that they are having difficulty focusing or staying alert, and their vision may be hazy or unfocused. The word can also be used metaphorically to describe something that is vague, unclear, or indistinct, as if seen through bleary eyes. Overall, bleary is a descriptive term that conveys a sense of fatigue and lack of clarity.